Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with Xiaomi 12 Lite. And to do this, we'll be connecting the charger here to Gosun Smart Socket, which will tell the exact statistics on my phone right here. We'll be able to see it. So now let's plug in the charger. And it usually takes about 30 to 40 to even 1 minute till all of the statistics here are stable. So let's wait. So 1 minute has passed and the statistics should be stable. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.